Hey everyone. So I've decided to start a new series of videos. Today, gadgets. So this one is called the Rev N Chef herb processor. What kind of herbs? That's entirely up to you. But gonna take it out of its packaging. Not gonna read any instructions. The instructions hanging right there. And we're gonna see what this thing can do. Alrighty? So stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. So as you can see, I have a knife, my veggie mat that basically turns any surface into a cutting board, a couple cloves of garlic, and what we're all here for. So, this is called the Rev N Chef. I don't know how well that comes up onto the camera, but anywho. Slices prep time to nothing. So we're going to see exactly what it can do. So here we have garlic peeler. Okay. Ah, that was close. Blade. Let me put my knife off to the side here. And then the actual unit itself. This will just toss to the side. Bring my knife back over here. This says nothing. Okay. These are, not instructions, but recipes. Split second dressing, guac and roll, spin and salsa, rip, roar, and rub, so on and so forth. Put that to the side. Now, it looks like we need to open it. So it locks, which is good. Okay, all right, there we go. So there's the instructions. I'm going to put those off to the side, see if I can figure this out. So obviously that goes around. It's like a zip car from when I was younger. So I assume that this just goes on there like that, and okay. And when we want to cut something, lock it in and go. Okay. So, how much better is this than a knife? I assume, okay, these bend, that this somehow peels garlic. So, okay, give me a second. I'm going to go ahead and wash this. I'll be right back. Okay, back, washed, dried, everything is here. Now, this was given to my wife by a friend of hers. It's like, ooh, new kitchen gadget. I've never done videos on these before. So, why not start something new and make videos about kitchen gadgets? So, like I said, I have a couple cloves of garlic here. I assume this goes on here. Somehow. Okay, there we go. That fits on. Oop. Fits on there good. It doesn't want to stick on there very nice. Oh, that's why. Okay. So it has to be all the way down. So I'm going to take 1 clove of garlic. Doesn't matter. Lock it into place. And we'll see what this thing can do. There's not really much to hold on to here, but yeah. Okay. Well, it did peel the garlic, no problem. Okay. Oof, love the smell of it too. Come on. Oh, this thing doesn't want to cooperate now. There we go. Put that off to the side. The garlic paper off to the side. Now we're going to add the actual blade. And see, there we go. Let's see what this does. Okay, so we're going to take that same clove of garlic, throw it in there, lock it up. Now, let's see how well this chops. Ooh, that's a bit loud. Okay. Not bad. Now I can get the blades out. Okay. I mean, it's a rough chop. Will I use it? I will probably still use it. I'm just going to set this aside. What do the instructions say? When peeling garlic, remove root ends. Okay, I didn't do that. Place in Rev N Chef. Okay, you can put up to 5 cloves in there. But it doesn't really actually say anything else. So, put that off to the side. Now, would this be better than, say, look, I just peeled that garlic, then a knife. So, same amount of time, if not less, to get perfectly chopped garlic compared to the Rev N Chef. As you can see, cutting with a knife, you have more control. I'm going to be cutting this down anyway to add into a recipe for another video. Does it work? Yes. Something to use every day? Probably not, especially if you're in a rush. It's a novelty. I'll try it again with some herbs and see how that goes. I may try one of these recipes. If I do, I will tape it. I'll probably do one of these, maybe the salsa or a rub for beef or whatever the case may be. But will it replace a knife? No. But we'll see what happens in future videos. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.